Hi, I am Pulkit Hardasani pursuing PGDM in marketing at Poddar Business School, Jaipur. I'm proud to share that I have been hired by Jaro Education, a leading tech company in India, at a package of 12 LPA. Being a PGDM student at Poddar Business School, Poddar has encouraged me to push my boundaries, whether it was through Harvard case studies, industrial visits, or live projects. Poddar focuses on real-life skills and professional development through its regular soft skill sessions and mock interviews. Poddar has its exclusive USP, which no other college in Rajasthan provides: the Global Immersion Program and the Student Development Program at IIM Indore. These were the life-changing moments for me. I got the opportunity to commence a transformative journey to Dubai, Oman, and Abu Dhabi, where we interacted with industry leaders, entrepreneurs, and different professors from different universities, giving me an opportunity to gain placement and internship opportunities. Poddar Business School focuses on practical learning, where we regularly engage in case studies, live projects, and add-on certifications from international organizations like London School of Digital Marketing and Pearson. Choosing Poddar was my best decision I have made for my career. I'm proud to be Poddarite.
Poddar Group of Institutions